Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a split leveled residential building, spans over 4 levels. It can be easily converted to a multifamily residence. The main level, which is the ground floor, features a master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and walk-in clothes closet, two other bedrooms, one other bathroom, front patio, rear wraparound balcony, staircase area leading to roof terrace, carport, kitchen, dining area, and laundry area. Access between main level and third level is provided by internal concrete stairwell. The third level incorporates one bedroom, one bathroom with shower and vanity area, water closet, double garage, entertainment room with bar, laundry area, combined kitchen, living and dining area. The second level is self-contained, which includes one bedroom, one bathroom, walk-in clothes closet, patios, combined kitchen, living and dining area. Level 1, which is the basement, has a laundry area with water closet and a storeroom. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.